Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your regular ARM templates from Azure to the new biceps format. Let's get started. So head over to Google and search for Bicep Playground, and the first link that appears should be it. Okay, so while this is loading, let's fetch some ARM templates. I'll use ARM templates from the Azure Quick Start template GitHub repo. Let's use this one. Okay. So as you can see here, to the right is the regular ARM templates, and to the left is the new biceps format. Here you can upload your ARM template code and get it converted to bicep. Uh, if you have it on a local machine, it's okay, or even if you have it on your GitHub, it's fine. We can use a raw link to convert it. So here you can see a decompile button. Click on it. It'll ask for a file name. So once again, so copy the raw link first, and then paste it in the file name. This should convert the ARM template to the biceps format. This is one way of doing it. The other way is to use the biceps CLI. So there's a native CLI for bicep, using which you can convert your ARM templates to the bicep format. So here I have a small ARM template for creating a storage account, and I have the bicep CLI installed. So what you can do is uh, bicep bicep decompile, and then you have to serve it the sorry, I'm in a different folder. Okay, so here decompile, give it the on templates file path, and that should do it. So as you can see, it created a bicep file. It's showing this warning because some of the functions like concat and fetching this resource group.id will be different in bicep and in the ARM template, so it's showing an error. That alone you'll have to sort it manually sometimes. In this case it has done it, but showing a warning. Otherwise, any complex ARM template, you could use these methods to convert it to the new bicep format.